Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to use the Stickies app on your Mac. First off, hit Command Space to open Spotlight, then search for Stickies. From here, you can click to open the app right away, or right-click and choose Show in Finder to open the Applications folder where Sticky Notes is located. You should definitely drag this app down to your dock for quick access later. From now on, you just need to click the sticky icon on the dock and all your active notes will pop up on your desktop. To create a new note, while your cursor is inside an existing note, just hit Command-N to create one quickly, or go to the File menu and select New Note. You can move your mouse to the edge of the note until the cursor turns into a double-headed arrow, then just drag to resize it. To collapse a note, double-click the header bar and double-click it again to expand it back. If you want to go full screen, click that tiny icon in the top right corner of each note. Next, you can change the color of your notes by going to the Color menu and picking your favorite shade. In the Window menu, you can select Float on Top if you want your notes to always stay visible above other apps. Plus, you can also make your notes translucent. If you want to tidy up and reorganize all your notes, choose Arrange By and pick one of the attributes from the list. To go back to the default view, go to the Window menu and select Undo Arrange By. While you're typing, you can hit Option tab to write in a list format. If you want to exit this mode, just hit Return twice. To delete a note, select it and hit Command-W. If that note has content in it, the system will ask if you want to save it first. Another super useful feature is exporting text. Go to the File menu, choose Export Text, name it, and pick a location to save it as a .txt file. You can also move all your stickies to the Notes app. Just go to File, select Export All to Notes, then hit Import to confirm. The Notes app will create a folder called Imported Notes. Keep in mind that every time you export, it creates a new folder instead of updating the old one, so it's not perfectly optimized yet. Finally, if you're often researching on your browser and want to quickly save a snippet to sticky notes, here's a by default. When you highlight text in a browser and right-click, you won't see this option. So go to System Settings, scroll down to Keyboard, and select Keyboard Shortcuts. On the left, pick Services, then click the arrow next to Text. Here, check the box for Make New Sticky Note and hit Done. Now, whenever you highlight text on the web and right-click, the Make New Sticky Note option will be there. That text will be sent straight into a brand new note. I hope this video helps with your work and studies on macOS Tahoe 26.2. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.